Uttarakhand, formerly known as Uttarakhand, is a state in the northern part of India. It is often referred to as the Devbhumi, meaning land of the gods, due to numerous Hindu temples and pilgrimage centers found throughout the state. The natives of the state are generally called Uttarakhandi, or more specifically either Garhwali or Kumaoni by their region of origin. Among the prominent local crafts is wood carving, which appears most frequently in the ornately decorated temples of Uttarakhand. Laxman Jhula is a suspension bridge across the river Ganga, located 5 kilometers northeast of the city of Rishikesh in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. But it has been closed now by the local administration, citing weak structure due to old age. Replacing it, a new glass floor suspension bridge.
Suspension bridge include the deck, the main cables, the vertical suspenders and towers. The deck hangs on the vertical suspenders which are connected to the main cables. The main cables are anchored at the ends and pass over the two large towers. As the cables can only carry tensile force, all the cables including the main cables and suspenders are in tension. The towers are in compression. The load from the deck or roadway is transferred to the vertical suspenders. The vertical suspenders transfer the load to the main cables. The main cables transfer the load to the towers and to the anchors placed at the end. Finally, the towers transfer the load to the foundation placed below the ground.
In a suspension bridge, suspension cables are structured in a parabolic design. Hence, parabolic equation is applied to define the suspender position for weight equilibrium. A parabola is a plane curve which is mirror symmetrical and is approximately U-shaped.
Parabola. If I do this, if I pretend that this is the x-axis, okay, watch this. This is the y-axis. Then this point here, the vertex is at 0, 10. Okay? There's the vertex at 0, 10. Right? Now, remember, this is, I think of it as a y direction parabola, positive y. Okay? In other words, it's an x squared equals 4py, not a y squared equals 4px. Okay? So it's opening up the y direction. Now, if this is the vertex, then this must be the equation of the parabola. X squared. Now remember, 0, so I don't need to write anything there. Okay, the x-coordinate is 0. 4p y minus 10. Okay.
The new glass floor suspension bridge of Rishikesh will be built using the concept of parabola and suspension. Advantages. Suspension bridges are flexible due to the cable system they are held up by. The bridge can move with the wind, and during natural disasters such as an earthquake, there won't be a much harm caused to it. No access is needed from below the bridge while it is being constructed, making it a greater choice for areas that ships and waterways need to stay clear. Disadvantages. Underneath extreme winds, the bridge can move so much that the bridge would need to be closed. The bridges are very lightweight. This restricts the amount of traffic and the weight of heavy loads that can use it. The glass floor suspension bridge of Rishikesh would be having the length of 132.2 meter and the glass floor will be 1.5 meter wide on both sides, while the road will be 2.5 meter wide. The glass used in this bridge would be 3.5 inch thick. The design for the bridge will now be sent to IIT Mumbai for approval. It is likely to be ready in 2021.